And now back to the evening news. A new poll reveals that 80% of this nation don't trust the news. You can trust me. I'm a good guy. Come on. Look at this face. This is the face of an honest man. And now to the weatherman. It's hot. Thank you. I don't know what we'd do without you, weatherman. I'm really excited for this promotion. You're an asset to this organization. You deserve this. Now, for your new room. Knock knock. Who's there? You in 10 years. Thank you, thank you. Wow, a standing ovation. Oh, you're leaving. Hey, I'll buy anyone who stays a drink. Nice. I knew doing it at an A meeting would come in handy. Okay. What you call a cat with no future? You're looking at it. So a cat walks into a bar. He asks for a drink. The guy says, sorry, no drinks. The guy says, what? This is a dry cleaners. Thank you. Get it? 'Cause he's drunk. Like you guys.